Okay, friends, so tonight I am making boiled potatoes, and they are cut, like I cut the potato in half and then I just sliced them. Okay, so I'm going to get these potatoes boiled, and then I am going to throw butter in there and just stir the potato. I'm not going to really kind of smash it, but I'm just going to stir in some garlic and top it with some Parmesan cheese. Okay, and then I'm also going to fry up some cabbage in butter, and then I'm going to hit that with some roasted garlic and bell pepper seasoning. Okay, and tonight we're having salmon. Nothing fancy salmon, just salmon. Okay, I got 2 tablespoons of butter in here, and I've got some cabbage just like kind of shredded, a little bit of shred. See how that's like stringed up? Okay, and then I'm going to throw my up. So this is the first time I am opening this, and I'm just going to fry that cabbage up. Oh, that smells really good. So this is the first time I've seen this seasoning. So I can't wait to cook with it. And I'm just going to hit it with that. Not too much because, I just don't know. It's my first time cooking with it. And then we'll just fry that all right up. Probably throw pepper. Maybe a little bit of salt. Not a lot. Okay, and we're just going to let that fry up. Okay, that cabbage is frying up pretty good. You can also use chicken broth too. I was going to use that, and let's just do the beef broth. The potatoes are right over there, and they are boiling like crazy. Perfect. That is done. Okay. Now I'm going to focus on the potatoes. Tablespoon of butter. Tablespoon of sour cream. Splash of milk. Teaspoon of garlic. We don't want a lot, just a little bit. And then the potatoes, skin and all. Then what we're going to do is just stir that up. Let that butter melt in there. Okay, we're going to let that butter melt. I added a little bit more milk. I'm going to hit it with just a little bit of salt. Okay, friends, I know I was going to cook salmon, but something happened to my salmon. So I'm having ham slices, the seasoned cabbage, and cubed potatoes with, I got to put some parm on them potatoes. That was my baby dog. Okay, Parmesan on the potatoes. Perfect. Okay, and some ham. Easy breezy. Okay, friends, if you like this video, please, hey, give it a thumbs up. Help my channel grow. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. But keep cooking, friends. I love you all.